show you how to invite a person to manage your Facebook page. Like there are many agency or a person who want to like separately give an access to manage their social media platform like Facebook page. So they are unknown that how to invite a person to manage a particular separate page. So here I'll teach you how to go step by step to invite person. Just first of all, go to your Facebook, okay, Facebook profile, and there are multiple page are attached with this profile. This is my main profile. So everyone has two different things. Profile is different and Facebook page is different. So like first of all, you need to go to your profile, then go to this icon, and here you will find that see all profiles. So these are the pages associated with this profile. And if you are using mobile phone, the same process you will follow in the mobile as well. So just here, suppose this is our company page, and I want to invite person to manage this page. So here I'll go and I'll switch in this page. Then I will go to the setting. Okay. Then after going to the setting, you will go in the page setup. Okay, then there are many options. Name, page access. Here you will go on the second option. It is page access. So suppose these person have right now have the managing access of my page. So here are the two things that you want to allow that person only post, or you want to allow that person to post, to manage your ads, or he can manage your page like you are managing currently from your owner profile. So you have both the options, like people with Facebook access and people with task access. Sure, you will go the if you will go with the people with task access, then he'll only be able to post on your Facebook page. He can't like, comment, share, read the message, read the comment. He can't do this. If we will go with the people with the Facebook access, then he will manage all the things like if ads, comments, messages. He can see everything. So most of the cases we go with this option, and here I'll go the next. Okay, suppose here I want to give this access to uh, this is our another profile. I want to give managerial access of this page to this profile. So if I'll go with the full control, or you can partially choose which thing you want to give, or you don't want to give. Like I'm giving her full access of my page. So I'll give the access, and here you required a password. So here you need to put your current profile password, then confirm. The invitation will be sent to that person to whom you want to give. Thank you, guys. So this is the easy step through which you can give the access to manage your Facebook page to another person, any agency, your friend, or multiple user to manage the same page of your.